Hey everyone, welcome back to Ruthvik Google Ads classes. Today we're discussing about important topic negative keywords in Google Ads. So what are negative keywords? Negative keywords help you to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant or low quality searches. This means we are giving better targeting, lower cost and higher conversions. So in this video we'll cover what negative keywords are and why they matters, how to find out and add them to your campaign, best practices to optimize your ad performance. So let's dive in. So what are negative keywords? Negative keywords prevents your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches. This helps you avoid wasted clicks and improve ad relevance. So why are negative keywords important? It saves budget by blocking unwanted traffic, increases click-through rate by targeting the right audience. It improves the quality score and lowers the cost per click. So types of negative keywords. So there are three types in this also. One is broad match negative. It blocks any search that include all negative keyword terms in any order. Like if we give negative keyword as free shoes, it blocks searches for free running shoes, free shoes for kids. So if you are a say, I'm running ad for Tata Click and we do not offer any free items. So I can use like free Tata Click as my negative keyword and any term related to free match should not pop in. So the second type is face match. In face match it blocks searches that contain the face exact in order. Like I give face match of cheap running shoes and my search blocks for best cheap running shoes like any suffix or prefix it blocks. So if it does not block for cheap running shoes or running shoes cheap, your ads has been popped in. So that's targeting the wrong audience and wrong impression share and everything will be going decrease. So to get a click through rate effectively we need to use the types of negative keywords, and the last type of negative keywords is exact match type. So it blocks only the exact search term. Like example, free running shoes. If anyone is running free running shoes, it's only run blocks that, but not block free jogging shoes or running shoes free shipping, because we don't want to block for free shipping. We provide free shipping, so we do not want to block this. But in broad match, it blocks for free shipping also. So that's why we use exact matches as the best keyword strategy in any type of keyword practices. So negative keyword lists and how to use them. So we need to create shared negative keyword lists to apply across multiple campaigns. Examples of common negative lists are irrelevant traffic, which are known as cheap, free, download, trial. We do not offer this, but also people search for that. So we should discard them. Competitor's name. If the brand's name which we do not like Agio shopping and if people are searching out Agio products and we got Tata Click sponsor that. Why do they go? If they were particular passion about a brand and targeting about the brand, then why will they come to your website? This is the wrong type of keyword strategy. So we need to add them into negative keywords, and we need to regularly update and refine your negative keyword list for better ad efficiency. So how to add negative keywords, Google Ads, keywords, negative keywords, athletes, we will be going to do that. And the best practice for using Google negative keywords is regularly update negative keywords, analyze search terms, report for irrelevant traffic, use face and exact match network negative keywords wisely. And yes, let's see how to do the face of negative keywords. Okay, when you go into overview, go into campaign and click on your campaign. You see my negative keywords I'm doing for the search ad. So it's same for every type of ad. This process will be applicable the same. So I'm clicking on the campaign. For I'm selecting that responsive search ad, which is also known as standard search ad. And here you can see the keywords at the negative keywords. I'm selecting this, and I don't want to add for. Okay, I'm like I don't want to add if anyone searching about free clothes in a face match. I'm adding it. If anyone add it as free clothes, I'm adding clothes for free. I like clothes for free. I'm adding them also, and I'm adding one more as if anyone is searching like face match, Paytm shopping or Amazon shopping. So I am not targeting that type of people who are searching for my competitors. I'm on Shopsy. If anyone is searching for these types of websites like I Payverproof, I don't want to target them. So that's why I'm adding the opponents categories. So please also, if Payverproof is available in Tata Click, then I'm doing the wrong way. So do research of what type of categories products are available in your website and give only that. If I give Puma over here, I'm to shooting the wrong thing. I should not give Puma because Puma is available in men's. So how to do search? So let's see is Puma available or not. When I search in Tata Click Fashion app about Puma, I got 7,981 items related to Puma brand. So I should not add my negative keyword as a brand which is already exists in my shopping. So if I add this, I am going to get a reject letter or any letter from the team. So we just choose wisely what we need to do. This is the type of negative keywords we are publishing without publish an ad. Like we did not run the ad campaign. So with before the ad campaign run only we are giving this many types of negative ads. If ad has been run and we can see the insights and reports over here, and here we can see the search terms. So in search terms, basically I did not run my ad, so I cannot see it. So basically what the search terms do. So if any people is searching about any Google ad, in Google website, like I have seen like, so people is searching like best clothes, and you can see any sponsor that. No, no one is targeting about this. So it's very good. I can target this keyword and get more conversions. So if anyone is searching for best clothes and you get everything for best clothes, I got my sponsor that. So for which type of keyword results people are searching, you get the terms over here in the search terms. This is very important. In this, you can see like if anyone is searching about a Flipkart clothes and they got their sponsor ladder, you can select over here and add it to negative list. So this is all about the negative list, negative keywords. That's it for today. Thank you guys and enjoy. And also please check out the videos in my playlist. Please support me. I'm doing the videos regularly, continuously. So thank you guys. I want you guys to expert in Google Ads, and please have notes in the rough notes or notes side by side when you're watching my videos. And also I've said if you have any doubts, you can email me or contact me through LinkedIn. I can connect with you one by one and clarify your doubts personally. Thank you guys.